Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to sync a Google Calendar mobile. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go for your settings into your device. And now after in your set, and after that, just simply go ahead and scroll down. And just simply go for accounts and backup. And after that, just simply go for the accounts at the top. Now guys, from here, you could just simply select the account that you want to sync the Google Calendar, or you could just simply add a account over here if you don't have your account added yet. And now guys, once you have selected an account, you will have here sync account. So tap on that. And from here, just make sure the Google Calendar is turned on over here in order for you to sync the Google Calendar mobile in the application. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.